Everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Mindy Banks. I'm the Flip Flop Chef, and today I'm going to show you how to make orange marmalade using the patent pending jam setting on the Pampered Chef's Deluxe cooking blender. So the blender that you see here is a true cooking blender. It has a heating element built inside, so it's kind of like a smart blender. This actually just plugs in just like you would plug in something into the wall. Plugs right into the base of the Deluxe cooking blender. This is so quick and so easy. You guys are going to be blown away by how fast you can make homemade jams and jelly in the blender and not have to stand over your stovetop stirring and stirring and stirring to keep things from burning. It's very quick, very easy. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what we're going to do. This recipe does call for fresh squeezed orange juice, but I do not have fresh squeezed juice. So I only have one orange, so I have enough for the zest to add in at the very end, but we're going to use just store-bought orange juice for this recipe. We're going to put 3/4 of a cup of orange juice right into the Deluxe cooking blender. And I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see a little bit better what I'm doing here. We're going to pour in the orange juice. As you guys are joining, please leave a comment. Let me know where you're watching from. Please like and share this video, and I appreciate you guys watching. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water, and then we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of pectin. I went ahead and measured this out. We're gonna pour that right in. And this is the pectin that I am using. So this is just real fruit classic pectin. So it's a powder. I went ahead and put that in. We're gonna add the lid on top of the blender, and it's gonna make some fun sounds for us. I'm gonna turn this dial. You probably cannot see the actual display here, but it lights up on every single setting. So we have a smoothie setting, alternative milk setting, we have a grind setting, heated wash, we have a soup setting, a heated puree setting, and then our 2 patent pending settings are the jam and the sauce. So we're gonna go to the jam setting. It shows you that it's gonna cook this to 220 degrees. I'm gonna press the start button and let's watch what happens. Okay, so it's gonna kind of do this song and dance where it blends for just a few seconds, and then it's gonna switch over to a heated setting. So right now it's 63 degrees and it's heating up, and when it starts blending, it's actually doing the stirring step. For the sake of time and for the noise level, I'm gonna pause this and I'll finish it when the video is over. But I do wanna let you know what we're gonna do after this reaches the appropriate temperature for the next step. So I do have 1.5 cups of sugar already pre-measured. When this finishes the first stage of cooking, the blender will give me a beeping sound to let me know that that stage of cooking is done. I'll take the lid off, I'll add in 1.5 cups of sugar, and then I'll restart the blender again. Then when it's completely finished, it will beep again, letting me know that it's done. And then I'll just take an orange and our zester, and I'll zest some of the orange zest right into the marmalade, and then it'll be ready to serve. So I would recommend cooling it and then putting it in the refrigerator or in the freezer until you're ready to use it. But our cooking blender is amazing for so many different things. But I wanted to show you guys firsthand how quick and easy you can make homemade jams, homemade jellies, and today we're making orange marmalade, which I think is delicious. So I would love to hear if you have any questions in the comments. Please let me know how I can help you with anything from Pampered Chef. Like and share my video and join my recipe group at theflipflopchef.com. I appreciate you guys joining me today. Have a good one.